Today I would like to explain you about mooring winch hydraulic brake system. You can see this is the braking arrangement and this is the brake shoe. We have got a lot of springs over here and we have got a piston here, and this is the hydraulic line. So the oil was leaking through the seal here. So I will explain you how we are going to open and change the seal so that the hydraulic system works. So I will run the video for you. You can see how I am going to open it in place. We can see this is the braking system and you got the springs over here. This is a mooring winch. So first thing what you have to do, you have to remove the handle, open the bolt over here and use the jacking arrangement. This is the puller, bearing puller, so you have to pull this out. Once you pull this out, then you can take it out. There is a key here, remove the key, then afterwards unscrew all the bolts over here, Allen, and remove the coupling over here. And this is the quarter pin type locking arrangement to keep the center piece in place. So once you remove this, then you remove the other plate over here, you can see. Then you remove this. You should not paint this shaft actually. The people have painted this shaft, so it's very difficult. So what I am trying to show you is I am going to remove it one by one. You can see this is the piston with the seal here. Now he has painted it, so I have to clean this to remove the piston. I have to change the seal. So what I am doing is I am rotating the center shaft, so the piston is coming out. You can see here. So once it comes out, you have to pull the piston and change the seal here. You can see the seals here. There are two seal here. So this you have to change this one. I have cleaned the shaft here. Please do not paint it. So once it is clean, then take out the piston. Then there is one more piece here. I have shown you the full assembly maintenance in one of the videos. You can see that this is maintenance done in place, so that you do not waste much time. So this is another piece here which I am removing and showing. All these things you need to clean in place. Once you clean, this is the seal. You see the seal here. This seal is facing this side. You can see the groove. The other groove is facing. Then we got two seals in this collar here. You can see there are two seals, smaller one here, another one. So you have two seals here, smaller one, and you got two seals here. So you change with a new one. Once you change it, make sure that you can see this seal should come this side, facing this side. Then once it is there, you put the piston here and put the cover here. Assemble it in the same order how you removed it in place. So all this thing should go smooth and easily. Once it is in place, then put the other component like this one. So this piece need to be done. Then you put the locking. There is a quarter pin type locking, which you need to put. So once you put the quarter pin, you can see this one, quarter pin locking. So you can put the quarter pin locking here. So this is the quarter pin locking, so to keep the piston in place. Then you put the Allen screw here, tighten it, lock it. Once you lock this one, then this is the locking, quarter pin locking here on both the sides. So make sure you lock it properly. So this quarter pin, make sure that the piston is in place. Then put the one more piece over here which was removed, align it, make a marking over here so that you place it correctly to match this hole here. So once this hole is matched with this, then we can put the screw from the other side, tighten all the three Allen screws. So this is in place. So once this is in place, you can always try out putting the hydraulic oil in place. You can see what I am doing. I am trying to push the seal inside. Once that is inside, put some Vaseline to push it inside and make sure the O-rings are in place. Then what you have to do is you have to open the top bolt here to fill up the oil. Once that is in place, you connect the hydraulic connections as it was shown in the starting position. you push and connect it correctly, make sure the o-rings are in place. So you see here the o-rings should be in the right place. So then this is the panel where you can start the hydraulic system. I'm just showing the here where you can start the hydraulic system for operating it. So once you put the hydraulic, pipe everything, put oil here. Now oil is already filled. Now I am showing it working by actuating this lever here. Once you actuate the lever, you can see the thing moving. So this, if you have any doubt regarding this, you can always message me. Make sure to clean the shaft and make sure do not paint on this, so that we have problem oil leaking from the seal. If you have any doubt regarding the maintenance of this, you can message